Hi, welcome to CKSPACE with Film. If you are new here, you probably haven't seen this kind of video on my channel before because it has been more than a year since I did my previous CKSPACE with Film, and I haven't been touching my Yashica, my film camera, ever since that video. And one day, I decided that I want to try this Ilford Pen 400. It's a black and white film. Initially, I wanted to have a theme for me to follow through. Since it's a black and white film, I thought of shooting it with a sense of melancholy or a mysterious vibe. But it took me so long to finish this film roll, another 6 months to be exact. And throughout these 6 months, I've forgotten that I have a theme to follow through. And I even forgot that it's a black and white film. So I was really surprised by the result when I received it. So let me bring you back to one of the night, November 2018, exactly 1 year ago. It was a time when I was still interested in fashion and sneakers. A friend of mine got an undercover sneakers, and I liked the two contrasting words printed on the front of the sneakers: order and disorder. I was in the town area. I've totally forgotten about the theme. I just point and shoot things that are nice. I went past the Apple store. I'm feeling the contrast between the black matte wall and the stone wall. I was at IKEA, loving the well-organized shelves. 22nd December 2018, I went to a Minimalist Exhibition. Awesome place, beautiful artwork. I've taken quite a few film shots over there, but sadly, I deleted those B-rolls accidentally. I can't express how frustrated I was because I really want to show you guys the place with the B-roll together with the film shots. Even right now, I feel kind of pissed when I talk about this because losing memories in terms of photography or videography is one of my pet peeves. But when times like this, when I'm mad over something, I keep telling myself, can't change it. No matter how mad I am, how angry I become, there's no way I can retrieve those B-rolls back. So I might as well enjoy the process of sharing these photos with you guys. So let us take a look. There's a lot of artworks that use light for their installation. It works very well with the film camera because I can't use the flash in there. And that's also the time when I forgot that I'm shooting with a black and white film roll. And it makes shots like this mediocre because color is the main thing. By the way, my friend managed to send me one of his videos from the exhibition, which is kind of futuristic with the blue LED number counting down from 9 to 1. I was on my way to an industrial area to film a video on my greedy boots. Went past this stairwell, thought it would be nice. Oh, I took a shot. Now I feel I should have taken this shot instead. I love old buildings with white tiles, especially this one with translucent windows that show the silhouette of stacked boxes. These two wooden blocks mounted on the concrete wall, it makes me wonder what are their purpose. Stains and shadow. They seem to be more obvious in the black and white film. I started decluttering my things. While doing the minimalism game, I came across my wisdom teeth. I don't even know why I kept them. I wanted this shot to look mysterious and creepy. I feel that there's a lonely vibe coming from this cactus under the scorching hot sun. Probably it's not that lonely since it's having its time getting those nutrients. Bypass this art center. I love vintage architecture like this. It used to be a school with art deco architecture. Pardon the shadow, I realized that's my cap in a frame. How stupid it is. I'm back at IKEA again. I kinda love the repetition of the tablewares. Alright, Patreon time. I have a Patreon link at the description below, and if you love to support this channel and keep this channel going, you can head down there and pledge a small amount of money every month, and your contribution and support can definitely help a lot with the growth of this channel. I really appreciate that, and let us continue. This is the second part of the Minimalism Exhibition. It's a totally different location with different artworks. I got attracted by this large installation, plus and minus. A mixture of machine and zen. Destroy and create. Extremely pleasing to watch. And I can just look at it for the whole day. And then there's this ring of stones. Another repetition. I kinda like the first exhibition more. Maybe because I lost the B-roll. That's when I discovered wabi-sabi, and I was trying to implement that in my shots. Intertwined branches, the total opposite of symmetry. Wabi-sabi bench. The white structure together with the clear blue sky. Very minimal. I just couldn't resist the temptation to take it with my film camera, even though I still want to keep it within the theme. This is a tree near my house. Appreciating the wilting process. I was on my way to work and I shot this. The result of this might be dark, but I love the silhouette of the commuters. On the same day, I was at Expo train station. I suddenly recall the times when my mom brought me to Expo when I was younger. Civilian War Memorial. Managed to snap this in time with the bird flying by. I always love this clean, white structure filled with great history and memories behind. That's when I wanted to film my wabi-sabi video. I rode a bicycle to Coney Island alone. But it started raining heavily, but I still managed to film it in the shelter. I was in Taiwan. I stayed in the mountainous area. That explains the fog. The blurriness created from the fog. It makes everything seem faded and lonely. Some might not like it when it's foggy when they travel, but I love it. It gives a sense of mystery. I went past their local market. Everything seemed so simple and slow. I saw this abandoned van, covered with rust and moss, but it was too dark to capture anything. And lastly, I end the roll with this shot. A worn out and creepy plant nursery. So, that's what my black and white film roll went through during these 6 months. I wanted a mysterious, melancholy vibe from this roll, and you can see I tried really hard to find things to shoot. And during this long process, I've totally forgotten that I have a theme for me to follow through, and I just shoot whatever I wanted. But something amazing about this black and white film is it makes things mysterious and elusive by itself, no matter what you shoot. If I have to choose one favorite out of the 38 photos, that would be this foggy shot of my girlfriend and her mom. I love the shadow of the trees, the extremely faded silhouette with an umbrella. Everything is so mysterious. There's a close fight with this shot too, and I love this a lot. A square-like box projected on the wall. All you can see is the dark silhouette of the girl, and the only visible part which is her beautiful eyes. Everything about this makes me so curious about this girl. That's my girlfriend, by the way. Currently, I have another film roll in my Yashica. It's not a black and white film. I've inserted it for almost 6 months from now, and I've still got a long way to go. Same thing, I've neglected it for quite some time. I don't know if this will be something that you will want to see more, because it's not about minimalism or self-development. It's probably about film photography. So maybe you can let me know down in the comment section. You can comment the word more so I know that it's something that you will want to watch. Same thing, I'll continue to make more videos regarding self-development and minimalism. I'm always grateful for your love and support. Thanks for watching this, and I'll see you guys on the next one.